Welcome to our video series, Would You Like Fries with That? I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff.
Today we're going to be talking about anchoring pallet rack frames. And biggest question I have for you, Linda, is why and should we anchor both holes that come on a standard footplate?
No. So a standard footplate comes with two holes so that if you are at a job site and you are anchoring and you hit rebar in the floor, you can back it out and then you can choose the other hole. So that's the only reason why we have two holes in a standard footplate. There are larger footplates where it may have two holes or four holes, for example, an 8x8 footplate, and engineering may require that you actually anchor more than just one hole. But in a particular design like this, which is just standard, we only use one.
And that's a really helpful tip because I think that question comes up quite often. So thanks for answering that. And thanks for tuning in. If you want to learn more, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff.
See you next time.